In this video, we'll be sharing our list of the top 6 best all-inclusive resorts in the Dominican Republic for families. Be sure to stay until the end, as we'll help you find the one that best fits your family's needs. Starting at number 6, Bahia Principe Fantasia. Nestled along the shores of Playa Bávaro in the Dominican Republic, Bahia Principe Fantasia emerges as a captivating haven for families seeking an all-inclusive retreat. Offering a blend of enchantment and relaxation, this Caribbean resort transports guests into a world of smiles, excitement, and pure happiness. Accommodations are designed to cater to the needs of both adults and children. Thoughtful touches such as pillow menus and bathrobes ensure comfort, while spacious living areas and balconies or patios provide ample space for families to unwind. With various room options, including castle view rooms, stays can be tailored to suit different preferences. Food-wise, there's plenty of variety here. You've got international options at the main buffet, Italian dishes with a modern twist, and easy poolside snacks when you don't want to sit down for a complete meal. Some venues also take reservations if you're looking to switch things up in the evening. There's no shortage of entertainment here, ensuring endless enjoyment for guests of all ages. Spellbinding shows featuring beloved characters such as Aladdin and The Lion King enchant audiences, while live music sets the stage for ultimate relaxation. Children can participate in supervised activities at the hotel's mini club, while teenagers have an exclusive area with entertainment tailored to their preferences. Recreation opportunities at the resort are plentiful, ensuring that families can make the most of their time. A sprawling pool area allows you to soak up the Caribbean sun, while a slide-filled water park delights children and adults alike. For younger children, a dedicated kids' splash pool provides a safe, engaging space to play. Also, guests staying here will have access to amenities and facilities at other Bahia Principe Grand hotels on the property. Next at number 5, Royalton Splash Punta Cana. Located just a 25-minute drive from Punta Cana International Airport, Royalton Splash invites families to create lasting memories in its tropical paradise. This autograph collection all-inclusive resort offers an abundance of amenities, including one of the Caribbean's largest water parks, pristine stretches of golden beach, and access to the neighboring Royalton Punta Cana. Accommodations encompass 273 rooms, junior suites, and suites, each adorned with a balcony or terrace. Here, guests enjoy 24-hour room service, TV, Bluetooth audio stations, Wi-Fi, stocked minibars, coffee and tea makers, electronic safes, and more, ensuring a comfortable stay for all. Royalton Splash boasts an impressive array of room types to suit every need, from the elegantly designed luxury room offering garden or pool views to the spacious luxury family suite with unique bunk bed setups for families. The Diamond Club Luxury Room adds exclusive amenities and privileges, while the Diamond Club Luxury Junior Suite features a centrally located two-person soaker tub for added luxury. The water park is one of the biggest highlights here, built around high-speed slides, a wave pool, and a space bowl that keeps both kids and adults coming back for more. Younger children have their own dedicated splash area with water jets and mini slides, so the entire family can stay entertained throughout the day. When it's time to refuel, guests can indulge in a variety of dining options, including buffet spreads, Italian, Mexican, and seafood specialties. With bars scattered across the grounds, including a swim-up bar and a Diamond Club beach bar, refreshing beverages are always within reach. The resort offers a range of entertainment options, including a supervised kids club, a designated teen lounge, and nightly shows at the theater bar. Sports enthusiasts can participate in fitness classes, beach volleyball, and a variety of non-motorized water sports for a great time. From tennis and table tennis to scuba diving lessons and virtual reality gaming, Royalton Splash ensures that every moment is filled with adventure and fun for guests of all ages. At number 4, Dreams Onyx Resort. Located in the Uvero Alto area of Punta Cana, this large family-friendly property offers unlimited luxury inclusions across 806 rooms and suites. Dining spans multiple a la carte and specialty restaurants, alongside 24-hour room service, concierge support, and consistent poolside and beach service throughout the day. With 12 restaurants and 11 bars on site, you can indulge in a variety of culinary experiences, from beachside barbecues to elegant fine dining. Activities abound at Dreams Onyx, including 5 swimming pools, an infinity pool and a children's pool, water sports, tennis courts, and beach volleyball. Evening entertainment features beach cinema screenings and Broadway-inspired shows, ensuring fun for the whole family. The accommodations at Dreams Onyx prioritize comfort and relaxation. Each room includes a choice of a king or 2 double beds, a furnished balcony or terrace with a jacuzzi, and modern amenities like air conditioning, a flat-screen TV, and a daily replenished minibar. For guests seeking an enhanced experience, the Preferred Club provides personalized check-in, upgraded amenities, and exclusive access to lounges and pools. Younger travelers are catered to with supervised activities at the Explorers Club for Kids and the Core Zone Teens Club, offering video games, sports, and social events. For relaxation and rejuvenation, guests can visit the adjacent Breathless Spa by Pavonia for ocean view massages and hydrotherapy treatments. Fitness enthusiasts can maintain their routine at the 24/7 gym, equipped with cardio machines and free weights. If you're finding this video helpful, be sure to check out the links below to book your stay in the Dominican Republic at the best possible price. Third on the list is the Majestic Colonial Punta Cana. Located along Playa Bávaro in the Dominican Republic, this family-friendly all-inclusive resort features 658 rooms designed for space and comfort. With multiple pools, varied dining options, and a layout that works well for families, it remains a popular choice for a well-rounded stay. Rooms at Majestic Colonial are divided into two sections: the central section, welcoming families with children under 18, and the Colonial Club, an exclusive enclave for adults 18 and older. From junior suites to one-bedroom suites, each accommodation offers European marble floors, plush bedding, and luxurious bathrooms featuring jetted tubs and walk-in showers with multiple functions. For families, there are spacious junior suites with options like garden or pool views. The Majestic Swim-Up Junior Suites offer direct access to the pool from private gardens, ideal for relaxation. Dining here is a culinary adventure with 7 restaurants offering diverse cuisines, from Caribbean specialties to Oriental delights. Guests can enjoy unlimited visits to a la carte restaurant, including Le Gourmet for gourmet dishes and Ma Plus Souris for Oriental cuisine. Sports enthusiasts can play tennis on well-lit courts, receive professional coaching, or play basketball on site. A dedicated running track offers fitness enthusiasts the opportunity to stay active while enjoying the tropical surroundings. Golf aficionados can tee off at the nearby Punta Blanca golf course, conveniently located just a short distance from the resort's entrance. Evenings feature nightly theater shows, live music across the plaza, and music in the lobby bars. For downtime, there's a large 400-meter lagoon-style swimming pool, along with 2 jacuzzis, giving plenty of space to unwind. Families with children will find a range of entertainment options, including a dedicated children's swimming pool with slides and a playground, supervised activities at the Pioneers Club for children ages 5 to 14, and babysitting services at Babyland for younger children. Water sports enthusiasts can explore a range of activities at the Beachside Water Sports Center, while scuba diving lessons in the swimming pool offer an introduction to underwater exploration. Teenagers can enjoy a dedicated game area equipped with pool tables, mini soccer, ping pong, and giant chess. With its wealth of amenities and activities, Majestic Colonial promises an unforgettable family vacation in paradise. Number 2. Hard Rock Hotel Punta Cana. This is one of the largest all-inclusive properties in Punta Cana, known for its scale and extensive on-site facilities. The layout includes multiple pools, a full casino, a water park, and a broad mix of dining and entertainment venues. It tends to suit families and groups who want constant activity on property, along with nightlife options without needing to leave the grounds. Accommodation at the Hard Rock is nothing short of spectacular. From spacious suites adorned with rock star touches to luxurious amenities such as private balconies, hydro spa tubs, and plush bathrobes, every detail is designed to deliver a superstar experience. Upgrade to the Rock Royalty level for even more personalized service and exclusive perks. When it comes to leisure and entertainment, this place leaves no stone unturned. With 13 expansive pools including swim-up bars and water slides, guests can enjoy endless hours of relaxation and fun in the sun. The resort also boasts the Sound of Your Stay program, offering unique music amenities like in-room Fender guitars and curated playlists. For those seeking wellness and relaxation, the Rock Spa offers a comprehensive hydrotherapy circuit and innovative treatments, including Rhythm and Motion, the world's first fully immersive music-centric spa menu. Additionally, you can tee off at the adjacent Hard Rock Golf Club, designed by Nickelodeon Golf, offering a challenging yet accessible course set within the Dominican landscape. When it comes to dining, it's truly a world tour of flavors, with 9 restaurants showcasing a diverse range of cuisines, from Italian and Asian to Caribbean and Mexican. Whether enjoying a casual meal by the beach or a fine dining experience overlooking natural gardens, you can expect fresh, locally sourced ingredients and expertly crafted dishes to delight your taste buds. From late nights at Oro nightclub to family-friendly fun at the Rockaway Bay Water Park, the Hard Rock Hotel blends high-energy entertainment with all-ages activities, all wrapped in its signature rock and roll style. And at number 1, Nickelodeon Hotels and Resorts Punta Cana. The Nickelodeon Punta Cana stands out as the ultimate family vacation destination, offering an unparalleled experience filled with fun and adventure for guests of all ages. Boasting a prime location on the golden sands of Uvero Alto Beach, this resort offers 460 suites, ensuring ample space and comfort for families of all sizes. At the center of the resort is Aqua Nick, a large water park designed for families to enjoy together. Between winding water slides, splash zones, and Nickelodeon-themed features, it's easily one of the main highlights. Nickelodeon characters like SpongeBob SquarePants and the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles regularly appear around the pool and garden areas, adding an extra layer of fun for younger ones. Dining is equally varied, with 9 restaurants and 5 bars covering everything from Italian at Verdelho to Asian-inspired dishes at Wok Wok. Character breakfasts are also available, giving families a chance to dine alongside familiar Nickelodeon favorites. When it's time to slow things down, the Vesa Spa offers a calm escape with steam rooms, therapy showers, and a full menu of treatments. Between sports courts, organized activities, and evening entertainment at Plaza Orange, there's always something happening. Overall, this is a well-rounded family resort that balances high-energy fun with spaces to relax, all designed to keep every age group engaged. Thanks for spending part of your day with us. If you'd like to explore more of the Dominican Republic's best all-inclusive resorts, head over to the channel and subscribe. We've got plenty more honest, independent reviews waiting for you.